Welcome back to Transit America. Today's video is about the Kansas City Streetcar and has good information about the service. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. The Kansas City Streetcar is operated as the RideKC Streetcar by the KC Streetcar Authority, a division of the KCATA. After 2 years of construction, the single-line system opened in May of 2016. Operating 6 CAF Urbos 3s, the system has carried more than 12 million riders since it opened. This is a free-to-ride transit system with Wi-Fi on board and level boarding at every stop. RideKC is funded by taxes in the Transportation Development District and was built with funds from this district along with municipal bonds and Tiger Grant money.
The streetcar currently has 10 stops, primarily along Main Street, with a 2.2-mile length including a loop around the River Market. With a 10 to 15-minute headway, the streetcar operates 17 to 19 hours per day depending which day of the week it is, with only a short layover at its current southern terminus at Union Station. A full round trip on the system takes about 30 minutes. The current route of the KC Streetcar runs through the heart of Kansas City, Missouri, along a familiar route of the original streetcar that was tore out during the car boom of the Cold War. The city is the largest in Missouri, with a population of over 508,000 and encompassing nearly 319 square miles. KCMO is the 37th largest city by population in the United States and has a metro area of nearly 8,000 square miles. The streetcar currently services about 1.1 square miles of the urban core along Main Street in a north to south direction. It services the National World War I Memorial, Crown Center, and Union Station at its southern end. Continuing north, The streetcar services the Crossroads Arts District, Kauffman Center, the Kansas City Convention Center and Bartle Hall, Municipal Auditorium, T-Mobile Center, and the Power and Light Entertainment District. As it continues through downtown, it provides services for the main municipal government offices, the Central Library, and Central Business District. At its north end, the KC Streetcar loops around the city and river markets. Current construction on an extension to the south and another extension approved northeast along the river will quadruple the service area of the streetcar, changing the system from a novel tourist people mover to an urban commuter option. The extension to the south will continue down Main Street, connecting the current line to the University of Missouri, Kansas City. The addition of 8 stations south of Union Station will allow services to more parks, memorials and museums, several colleges and universities, the original settlement and major entertainment district of Westport, and connections to the world-famous Country Club Plaza.
The approved extension to the northeast will provide service from River Market along the Missouri River through Berkeley Riverside Park, connecting the Kansas City Currents National Women's Soccer League Stadium with Bally's Casino, the rail yards and industrial zones, and the rest of the core of Kansas City. In addition to these updates, there are active proposals to create a second line that runs east from the current line to the Truman Sports Complex, where the Kansas City Royals and Chiefs, the region's MLB and NFL teams, play. This line would go through many more neighborhoods, making a better commuter service. However, there are no serious proposals for the streetcar to connect to any of the major airports, large manufacturers, or the major amusement parks of Worlds and Oceans of Fun. The KC Streetcar has daily ridership of over 4,600, peaking in 2019, and with steady increases after its lowest year of ridership in 2020.
Much more to come in this video. Please share and like this video, and check out other videos from Transit America.
The 6 Urbos 3 streetcars, manufactured by CAF, a Spanish Basque company, are powered by 750-volt DC provided by an overhead catenary line. They have a standard white paint scheme, but are often wrapped. These wraps most often promote local sports teams and major events, but also at times are sponsored advertisement from local corporations. Some notable wraps have been the Jazz and Pride wrap, the Super Bowl wrap. Please enjoy the rest of the video, which is full of ride-along footage.
Remember to subscribe to Transit America. Please like and share this video, and as always, your comments are appreciated.
Next stop, North Loop. To request a stop, please press either the stop button or door button. Next stop, City Market. Streetcar. This is the streetcar to Union Station. Next stop, Library. To request a stop, please press either the stop button or door button. Next stop, Metro Center. To request a stop, please press either the stop button or door button. Please hold on. Roads. Next stop, Union Station. stop, Crossroads.
Thanks to the following contributors: